This video will show you just how easy it is to make cotton candy in your gold medal cotton candy machine. But before we get started, let's go through some basic safety precautions. Do not touch the spinning floss head. This machine is not to be used by minors. Do not pour water into head of cotton candy machine. Do not lift the cotton candy machine by the head. Please use the handles. And when you're transporting the cotton candy machine, make sure the lock and go handles are in the locked position. Be sure to read and understand the operating manual for this piece of equipment. If you need an operating manual or have questions, please call us at 1-800-543-0862. The supplies you'll be using include gold medal floss sugar, floss cones, floss bags, or candy fluff containers. Now let's get started. First, rotate both lock and go handles to the vertical position. This allows the bell housing to float freely on the springs during operation. Then install the Whirl Grip Floss stabilizers on the floss pan, making sure you have adequate spacing between each clip. 6 to 8 inches is usually sufficient. Before starting, always make sure that the floats are fully inserted in the float holders. Next, put the double bubble on and pour sugar into the spinner head. When ready to start, turn power switch on and then the candy switch. There are operating tips located on the front of the machine also for your convenience. Remember to always use protective eyewear when operating a cotton candy machine. Once the machine is running, you'll want to let a nice amount of floss accumulate in the pan. When you're ready to start removing the floss, take your floss cone and insert it into the web of floss. Pull the floss straight out of the machine and twirl the floss and cone into a nice full cone of cotton candy. To remove the floss from the cone, simply slide it off the cone into the container of your choice. Make sure you fill the container completely with as much floss as you possibly can. The most common ways of packaging cotton candy are with candy fluff tubs or cotton candy bags. Bags are just as easy to use as tubs, and remember to really stuff the bags. When you're done making cotton candy, turn the candy switch off. When head completely stops, turn the power switch off. To clean the unit, simply follow the numbered steps outlined in the owner's manual. Cleanup is really easy. Simply remove the double bubble and pan. Take them to a sink or a hose and rinse them out. Cotton candy is only sugar, so it dissolves easily in water. If you have any questions or concerns about your machine, we can be reached by phone, fax, or email. Thank you, and enjoy your cotton candy machine.